The bed. So here are the dung balls.
Oh, not the dumb ball.
Right, Riz. I could give them to you if you want. Well, never mind. It's
Don't
chocolate.
prejudge them. They're gonna be good. How it smell? Smell good?
No.
It don't smell good. It's chocolate brownie. How bad could it be?
Yes, but don't get your kids this because it's not sweet.
We don't know if it's sweet. You all telling the people don't buy before you even try it.
Oh my god. Well, buy it, but don't.
Do we need another one? We got one more left. Oh no, we don't have any more. Sweet Lawrence fudgy brownie cookie dough. Let me try to give y'all a zoomed in. See, it actually even looks like a brownie. It's giving brownie right here. That one is giving brownie. Part on the baking sheet, bake for 10 to 12 minutes. For a soft and chewy cookie, you set the timer.
Well, I think everybody know how to set a timer.
I don't know.
Oh, wait, hold
Some people
so. Okay, so here's the you go on your microwave or your phone. Okay, do the microwave. You put a time. You see timer. It's the 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the fifth one up. And you
Okay.
push timer, and 1 is 1, 2. It's the fourth one
Oh my God.
up, and you go 1, and then you put 0. 1 that make it 10.
Oh.
2, 3. That means 10 and 0, 0, and then right here 1, 1, 1. The first one, and you push start, and then your timer go, and it should be warming in the oven.
Now we wait. Can't really see it through there, but yeah,
6
we
by
use
6
these.
parchment
Don't
paper
use these
squares.
because they have them sliding all over the place. Use a full sheet, but we use what we have. It is time. Dun 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 boom boom. Dun dun boom 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 boom. They don't even look. Ooh, they soft. Just said 10 minutes if you want them soft. So. Dun, 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 dun. Da-da. Get into it, yo. Ain't that how the song go? Look like brownies, yeah. Look like brownies, yeah. Nice. Happy Resurrection Sunday. It is Easter, and I am on my way to Dollar Tree. They are open. I did not prepare for Easter activities, festivities, because my youngest is currently 15. She'll be 16 in August, but currently she's 15, so I don't really think about Easter festivities because I don't have any young kids. However, my youngest Zaria asked me if I was going to make her an Easter basket, to which I replied I hadn't thought about it because that's not something I've done in the past. What I will do is fill some eggs with, treats and hide them around the house, in the backyard, stuff like that, and let them do like a Easter egg hunt type of thing. Or I think last year I just set up a candy display. I didn't do the hiding of the eggs, but anyhow, I'm on my way to Dollar Tree so I can possibly put her a 15-year-old basket together, maybe some lip gloss, some candy. She likes the Peeps. And I'm not really sure. She's an artist, so maybe they have some paint, some yarn, some something, because she likes to create. And just put her together a little basket because I really do appreciate that at 15 she's still a kid at heart, and I want to capitalize on that. I don't want to say capitalize, that's not the right word. I just want to encourage that, because I've always told my kids don't be in a hurry to grow up, because although it looks like it's fun and I can do what I want, you really can't do what you want unless you create that lifestyle. And even then, there are rules and there are, structures that need to be in place for you to be successful. So I've always encouraged my kids to be childlike and not be in such a hurry to grow up. So actually, I want to encourage that and continue to encourage that. And as she's approaching 16, I know that's a milestone. So yeah, I'm headed to Dollar Tree. And I'm hoping to find some things really quickly. And I say that because I need to get back home so that E and Zach can use the car. But really quickly, we encourage our kids to be childlike, not to grow up so fast. And we have to be mindful of that and encourage it so that they live out their childhood, and they're not trying to do that in adulthood like some people do. Their inner child is screaming out because they didn't get a chance to be a child. And so I really do want to cultivate that. I don't want to leave anything to chance that she'll have to try and refigure and redo later, when I can get up and run out here to the store real quick and put something together. Because it's all about the long term. It's not about the right now always. Sometimes you gotta be forward thinking. So happy Resurrection Sunday. I don't have any makeup, so y'all getting me at my raw face. And yeah, let me run into the store because we have arrived. And I will talk at you later. Alright, we are back from Dollar Tree. I had this bonnet already from Tina. She mentioned she needed another bonnet, and I got these cute noodle headphones a couple weeks ago, so I didn't get those today, but everything else in here I did. So I got this as the basket base. I'll probably put some grass in there. Borrow some Easter grass. 89, perfect. We got the Peeps. We got the chocolate bunny because Easter bunny. That is for me. This is a cute box. She's an artiste, so maybe she can bedazzle it or paint it or something. And then Princess Zaw. And then I got Krabby Patties and ring pops. So this is what we're working with. Face mask. Petroleum jelly she's been really into. That's a pocket size one instead of the big one I got her for her room. And we're going to use this pretty tablecloth to kind of be our basket. So let me put all this stuff together and then I'll come back. This is what we're looking like. I just need to add Krabby Patties. Probably could put them in here. Pops. She'll have to open it to get the Krabby Patties, but they'll be in there. Only thing that didn't come from Dollar Tree is this. This came from Dollar Tree. Everything else came from Dollar Tree, but the bonnet. And they do sell bonnets at Dollar Tree, so if you're interested in getting a bonnet from Dollar Tree, you can always make this a full Dollar Tree a full Dollar Tree. These are some things that she can paint. There's already a picture there. Just adding color really. And then this is wooden, so if she wanted to paint it, she could. If not, she could just use it like that. Her name means princess, so that's why I was drawn to that. This is, like I said, a little trinket box. So right now, I have her candy in it. She can use it as is, or she can be as creative as she wants to and decorate it. Noodle headphones, the classic chocolate bunny, petroleum jelly, because that's what she's into right now for lips and facial care, and then a little mask, and this is it. I have this pretty, this is actually a tablecloth, but we're gonna use it and make it our bag, so you won't be able to see through it, but this is what we got. This is what we're doing. Okay, since this is a tablecloth, it is super long, so we're gonna cut it because we don't need this much material. It's so pretty. But yeah, our basket is not that big. We're gonna cut this in. We're gonna cut this in half because yeah, this is way too much. Okay, I still have half a sheet of the thing left, but this is what we're looking like for the Easter basket. And look, it's still a lot, so I'm gonna have to cut it down because it looks a little crazy. It's still a lot. I still could have cut it some more, but I'm really liking it, so I'm just gonna cut this because yeah, just gonna trim her up a little bit because it's a lot still. All right, we cut it. We use the rubber band to kind of give it some, to fold it down and give it some, you know, some character. And this is what we're looking at. This is what we're looking like. And bada boom, bada bing. Hey, and here she comes. We get to get her reaction.
Oh, geez,
This is Zaria's 2025 Easter basket.
Oh my God, you didn't have to zoom in.
I know.
Oh gee, I came out perfect time. God told me to come out.
So we get to see what she thinks about it.
Around. Okay, let's see. Let's open it up. Okay. I like my string. Yeah. Oh, rubber band. It's a rubber band. Okay, we're gonna close our eyes and just.
Okay.
First thing. Oh, what is this? Hold up, we're gonna open it up. Okay. Let's see. OMG, it's a new bonnet! Okay, so I've been rocking my black, but now I got me a blue. Yes, okay, I've been needing me a new bonnet. Okay. Yes! Okay, we got some canvases. We got some things to paint. We got Kabbalah and a Slawla. Okay. Yes, milk chocolate.
Because what is Easter without the bunny?
Right,
yes.
Right. Thank you,
Thank
Frankfurt.
Thank you, Jesus. But
Oh yeah, that's.
then the bunnies.
And then if you want to buy this, here's the nutrition fix. If you want to buy it, like. Anyway, okay. Next up. OMG, cup noodle headphones. Get y'all these. They from the $1.25 tree, so y'all should be able to afford them. Okay. A ring pep. Y'all should know what a ring pep is. Let's see. A face mask because I'm getting to that age and a face mask is good and you should.
Skincare is important. Yep.
Okay. Oh, I feel the grass.
Oh.
The grass look a little familiar.
Uh-oh.
Okay, wait, now I'm gonna look the inside. Okay, we got a creel. I guess I can paint her. And then I
Yes.
can, what is it called? I can put it on my desk or something.
Mm-hmm.
She cute.
For the princess.
Okay. Wait, let me take this stuff out. Got me a little storage container.
Mm-hmm.
Little organizer.
That's what everything was in, but it's okay.
And then OMG, SpongeBob, he came too.
Got Krabby Patties,
And
okay.
then I got the box, I can paint her.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's giving DIY something pretty.
OMG, Peeps came too because of Easter. We got the party cake Peeps.
Mm-hmm.
And there is 5 chicks.
Nice, nice. And Peeps is also one of her candies that she likes.
Ring Pop Part 2, but this one is pink and the other one was green.
So you got watermelon
and cherry.
and cherries.
Oh. And last but Mom. Controller of Jenny. What are you trying to say?
Now you got a travel size because the other one is so big. Now you
Right.
got a
I feel
little
like this
one you
is
can put.
big too though.
Oh, well.
It'll be alright. I'm still no mod. It's okay. I'm still using it. But let's test it out for the fans. Here we go.
Hey,
I
and that
think
one
it
has
is-
cocoa butter in it, I think, too. So it's a
Mm-hmm.
little different than the other one.
And it's affordable. Go get y'all some from $1.25 treat.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
And then last but not least, we got this.
Yes, instead of the traditional paper, we used that because I thought it was so pretty.
It is purr. Anyways, y'all, this the haul, but don't copy my mama. Get your own stuff.
Hey, and this is what the tray looks like. So she can use it anywhere, on her desk, on her dresser, anywhere. And that is it. Hope y'all are having a fantastic Easter. And we will see y'all next time. Here I am. We will see y'all next time. Peace.